So this is how I graft. That's my Scion wood fridge and other food fridge. This is a 12-foot Callus pipe. I think I bought a 12-footer. Might be a 10-footer. Real quick, it's just got a, it says easy heat. You can get these on Amazon in whatever length you want to build. Each slot is for a graft union. I would space them about an inch. You can do it 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches, but an inch is all you need. So that shit, I'm having motherfucker. That's supposed to be running, I think. Now she's running. So I can do this. Go to my fridge, get my Scion wood. Okay, I got my buffet table as a work grafting bench. Then I got this table here as another working bench. I have a lot of garbage cans around. Some I'll use for recycled tree parts. Other stuff I'll throw away. So I can walk now from my basement, keep a tarp on the floor, to my greenhouse, which is right here. Get my key. As you can see, it's loaded with seedlings that I'll be grafting. These are persimmons. These are persimmons. These are 1-year-old Kanza pecans. They're about 3/16 at the soil line. So if I have to graft into the root, I will. I'm going to start off with those pecans. And I got some hickories and a lot of pecans to put on those. And these are some larger pecans that'll go in as well. So that's my whole setup. I keep the greenhouse program it. It's not programmed, but the heater has no number temperatures on it, and I adjust it as necessary. I've got the temperature inside the house. I can always see it. And I keep it about 2 degrees above freezing. So all the grafts will go on the hot pipe all through the winter. I'll get rootstocks from the greenhouse, bring them back in, graft them, put them on the pipe, continue to do so, and they will all wake up naturally at spring. I'll show you my greenhouse. This is a Farm Tech built lean-to. This is a 16-footer that they sell. It's a Dutch door above the handle there. And mine is under my deck facing south, which if that deck wasn't up there, this thing would be so hot inside there you wouldn't want to try to graft and grow whatever you want. I mean, it gets too hot inside there. And I would always recommend you put a greenhouse on the east side of your house or the north side if you can. Okay, y'all.